Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and prepping exactly. Wash and dry 12 medium strawberries completely, removing leaves but leaving the green tops for grip. Measure 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips, ideally 70% cacao, and 2 tablespoon coconut oil to thin the chocolate for a glossy finish. Line a tray with parchment paper and place a cooling rack or baking sheet nearby. Chill strawberries on the rack for 10 minutes if warm. Colder fruit helps the chocolate set faster and prevents sweating. Melt the chocolate using a microwave or double boiler. In the microwave, heat 1/2 cup chocolate chips mixed with 2 tablespoon coconut oil in 20-second bursts, stirring after each burst until smooth and glossy. If using a double boiler, keep steam low and stir constantly. Avoid water contact. Aim for a pourable consistency rather than runny. If needed, add a teaspoon more coconut oil. Keep the chocolate below 120 degrees F to preserve texture and antioxidants, and work promptly to dip before it cools and thickens. Dip strawberries by holding the green top or a toothpick and lower each berry into the chocolate, twirling to coat evenly and tapping gently to remove excess. Place each dipped strawberry on parchment paper and, if desired, drizzle with 1 tablespoon melted white chocolate or sprinkle 1 tsp chopped nuts, coconut flakes, or sea salt for texture. Chill the tray in the refrigerator for 10-15 minutes to set the coating. Store finished strawberries in a single layer in a parchment-lined container for up to 48 hours. Serve chilled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.